Sony HTS-400 soundbar. Main features are: mounting type is wall mount. Material is metal or high-density plastic. Model name is HTS-400. Speaker type soundbar, subwoofer. Special feature are Bluetooth, Dolby Digital. Recommended uses for product for surround sound systems, for televisions. Compatible devices are laptop, television, tablet, smartphone. Controller type is remote control. Surround sound channel configuration 2.1. Color is black. Included components are remote. Product dimensions is 13.38 x 38 WX9. 62H. Item weight is 16.1 pounds. Warranty type limited. Maximum range is 10 meters. Control method with remote. Wireless communication technology Bluetooth. Speaker size 900 millimeters. Power source corded electric. Woofer diameter 900 millimeters. Tweeter diameter 22 millimeters. Audio driver type is dynamic driver. Bluetooth range 10 meters. Subwoofer connectivity technology wireless. Connectivity protocol is Bluetooth. Number of USB 2 ports 1. Specific uses for product: home theaters, living rooms, movies, and TV music listening. UPC 27,242,923,942. Item weight is 16.1 pounds. ASIN number B9SQWQ4TC.